I remember all the nights I used to stay at home, on the phone, all night long. Used to talk about the things we really wanna do. I believed in you.